What kind of electronic media is popular in your country? There are some popular kinds: radio, TV, and online news. What's your favorite kind? I like online news because I have to work with computers every day. It's easier for me to read online. Why do you like it? Due to its convenience. I love reading anyway. How often do you access to that kind of electronic media? Every morning before I start working. What's interesting about it? Instead of watching TV or listening to radio passively, I'd rather read and think about the news. Is it convenient to access to that kind of electronic media? Yes. With a computer, smartphone connected to the internet, you can read electronic news anytime and anywhere. Do your family like that electronic media too? No. My dad likes radio and my mom likes TV. How has mass media changed recently? They're more modern and user-friendly.